This is the first product Rescue ever launched in 1982. Hi, I'm John, shipping manager at Rescue, and today I'm here to talk to you about the reusable fly trap. It's fairly simple. Unscrew it, take out the package, drop the attractant pouch inside, fill it up to the fill line, which is located just to the right of the main label. Takes about an hour to actually activate. Screw the top back on, place this unit outside. It does have the optional hanger tab here, so if you wanted to hang it up off of a tree or nearby, place it on a table or a banister somewhere. I'm a fan of the reusability of this product. Each attractant pouch should last about 30 days. Some people may be squeamish about emptying out thousands of dead flies, but it's better that than having them bothering you and your kids. It's fairly easy to do. Just unscrew the top right into a trash can. All you have to do is buy the refill pouches. You're ready to go. I'm John. I hope you enjoy your reusable fly trap. I enjoy the teamwork. Everyone working together to get products out the door as quickly as possible. Order by order, case pack by case pack. Everything's a little bit different. And my team, we like to laugh, joke around, and eat lots of ice cream. I will say that. They eat lots of ice cream.